You think your Panama City home is worth top dollar? But what if I told you there are 5 hidden issues that will make buyers walk away or demand massive price cuts? In a market where 65% of homes are currently selling under list price, you cannot afford to make these mistakes. If you're planning to sell this year, especially if you're a military family staring down a deadline, you need to watch this. I'm Michelle Nostra, your local Panama City real estate agent with Epic Realty, and your military relocation specialist, and someone who has moved with a family and the military 7 times. Now, let's protect your equity and get your house sold. Number 1, mismanaging your flood zone status. Did you know that homes in FEMA zones A, AE, and VE have a 26% probability of flooding over a 30-year mortgage? Buyers are terrified of flood insurance costs right now, especially because standard policies exclude flooding and federal insurance is actually unavailable in certain coastal barrier areas. The fix? Don't wait for the buyer to find out. Get an elevation certificate before you list. Be 100% upfront about your zone and consider offering a home warranty or an insurance credit to ease buyer anxiety. Transparency builds trust and keeps deals from falling apart at the closing table. Number 2, unaddressed hurricane history. We all remember Michael in 2018, Dennis, and Ivan. Even if your home was repaired beautifully, out-of-state buyers are spooked by Florida's weather history. If they see a single missing shingle or older siding, they immediately think unrepaired hurricane damage. The fix? Invest in a preemptive wind mitigation inspection. Have the paperwork ready to prove your roof, windows, and straps are up to code. Showing buyers that your home is a fortress will actually increase its perceived value and lower the insurance quotes. Number 3, unpermitted work. After storms, a lot of homeowners did repairs themselves, hired fast-moving contractors without pulling the right permits. Fast forward to today, and unpermitted work can completely stall a buyer's financing or kill the appraisal. The fix? Go to the county and pull your property's permit history. If something is missing, work with a professional to get retroactive permits if necessary. Don't let a DIY bathroom remodel from 2019 cost you $20,000 at the negotiation table today. And a little tip in that regard, reach out to your realtor. They should be able to help you find those permits and make the appropriate phone calls to verify that all work was permitted properly and that those permits were closed. Real quick, if you're feeling overwhelmed, especially if you have PCS orders and the clock is ticking, you don't have to do this alone. I have a free step-by-step home sellers checklist designed specifically for our Bay County market. Click the link in the description below to grab it or reach out to me directly. And my contact info is below too. Now, let's get back to the list. Number 4, ignoring curb appeal. Listen to these numbers. Right now, the median days on market in our area is 97 days, compared to the national average of 66. We are not in the crazy 2021 market anymore. Buyers have choices, and if your home doesn't look pristine from the street, they'll just keep driving. The fix? Power wash the driveway, put fresh mulch in the flower beds, and paint the front door. You want buyers falling in love with the house before they even step out of the car. It is the highest return on investment you can make for your home. And finally, number 5, this is the absolute biggest value killer, emotional overpricing. You cannot price your home based on what your neighbor got 2 years ago or national news headlines. Overpricing leads to your home sitting on the market for months, which makes buyers think something is wrong with it, ultimately leading to lowball offers. The fix? Work with a local expert like me to run a hyper-local comparative market analysis. We need to price your home to sit perfectly in today's actual market so we can generate multiple offers and drive the price up organically. Selling a home in Panama City takes a specific strategy, but if you do it right, you can maximize your equity and make your move stress-free, or as stress-free as possible. If you're PCSing out of Tyndall or just looking to sell locally, all my contact info is below. Let's chat. And if you want to know more about what's happening in our local neighborhoods right now, click this video right here where I break down the best places to live in Bay County. See you in the next one.